After changing the battery in your Audi Q5 key fob, typically a CR2032 or CR1620 lithium battery, it might need resyncing. This reestablishes communication with your car's immobilizer system. Here's how. First, sit in the driver's seat with all doors closed and the ignition off. Next, insert the key into the ignition, or for keyless models, place the fob near the Start-Stop button. Press and hold the Start-Stop button for 10 to 15 seconds. The car's systems should recognize the fob, indicated by flashing lights or a similar alert. Finally, test by locking and unlocking the doors and starting the engine to confirm successful resyncing. If this fails, try cycling the ignition multiple times, or check your MMI for a pair key option under Vehicle Settings. If resyncing fails, ensure the battery is new and correctly installed with voltage above 3 volts. Check for corrosion or water damage, which are common culprits. For 2024 and later models, Audi's software updates often provide on-screen prompts for resyncing or offer key status checks via the Audi Connect app. Looking ahead, key fob technology is trending towards smartphone integration with digital keys via Bluetooth or NFC, potentially reducing the need for physical fobs and battery changes. While traditional fobs remain for entry-level models, expect app-based keys with advanced security features like biometrics to become the norm. Remember, consulting your Audi owner's manual for model-specific instructions is always recommended.